Hello everybody, welcome back to Romaniacs. It's day one off-road. It's 5 o'clock in the morning here, that's going to be 3 o'clock UK time. I'm just in the paddock. We've got a start here around 6:30 I think, thereabouts, and the actual official off-road start is about 9 kilometres away from Cebu, so I'm going to try and make my way there at some point. Hopefully get the pros going off and some of the other riders. But we're just going to have a walk around the paddock, see what's going on. And you can just see this is the Husqvarna tent now. Damo's there. I'm just to move around this side. Just check in with Damo. Morning, guys. We're live on Facebook at 3 o'clock UK time, I think it is.
Who's watching at this time?
I know. How's it going, Damo?
I'm good, yeah. You?
Sleep well?
Yeah, actually, yeah, quite well. Got a few hours. Not so many, but a few.
I really miss these early starts, you know.
I love it, mate. Today everyone's chirpy. Let's see what everyone's looking like in the morning tomorrow. Yeah.
But Graham's going to be down here. At what time are we expecting him?
He's here somewhere.
Out.
Yeah, he should be here in a minute.
And just confirmation of start time, because I didn't go to a meeting last night. What's your start time?
Well, I know the first ride's away at 6:30. I think Graham's 7th away, so... he's the man who knows everything.
Yeah.
Graham, what's your start time?
What's your start time, Graham?
6 something.
Fully organised. That's what we like to see. Just getting the GPSs on the bike sorted.
Good to see you.
So we can just have a look at that.
What's this?
Yeah. Just very quickly, Graham. I'm fairly happy with the prologue yesterday. Got that bit out of the way. That was one of those things you had to do, didn't you?
Yeah, that's it. I got round safely and in a reasonable position, so yeah, happy.
So today there's a few guys in front, but that doesn't really matter. If you can start catching them, that's what makes the time up, doesn't it?
Yeah, I think it helps, you know, if you're on fresh ground as well, because sometimes they set the track out and, you know, the grass grows up and stuff. So sometimes it's an advantage to be behind a few.
Okay, well, good luck today. Hopefully we'll catch you at the service point.
Yep, cheers.
Okay, that is Graham. And obviously Billy there won yesterday's prologue. Just getting his Garmin sorted. Hiya. How many what, mate? I've no idea. I think we've got a few thumbs up coming through.
Should be just getting in from partying or just getting up? Not worrying about watching.
So this is just some of the behind the scenes stuff that we're seeing. I've just come down with the Eurotech guys. They're just getting a little bit organised at the moment, so we're going to go back over there very shortly. That's Alfredo Gomez's bike. That's Alfredo. Just try and have a quick word with him if we can. These guys very busy at the moment. Alfredo, very quickly, I know you're busy. Happy with the prologue yesterday? Feeling good still?
Yeah, not bad. Happy to be back.
And good luck for today. Hopefully you will get there and feel good still.
Thank you very much.
All right, thank you. I spoke to Alfredo yesterday, and obviously he's back from English, his first event back. He was going to see how he feels at the end of day one. And that will decide how he sort of continues for the rest of the week. He's still, I think he's feeling a little bit in his knee, a little bit of pain, but he's been back on the bike for 3 weeks now, so hopefully he should be able to pull it through, provided he doesn't have any issues, get through to the end of the week. It's all busy, busy. All got one thing in mind, and that's to get to the finish today. We'll just try and get some close up on Graham's bike.
Oh, 120. 18, 120. Right. Just one map today.
I think so, yeah.
That's when we load it in the checkpoint now.
Demo, we've got two GPSs on. Is that one zoomed in and one zoomed out? Is that how it works?
Everywhere, so you can navigate a little bit better at speed, and also for safety in case he loses one. So a bit of both, a bit of both.
And how are they fastened on?
Custom bar pad. This is the Mark IV.
The Demo special.
Yeah, yeah. Been making these for 4 years now. Everyone seems to have cottoned on, but I think we're still the best at making them out with Graham. Oh yes. Far superior, sir. Have you seen much of Kerwin? Well, he's been here.
I've seen a little bit of him. I need to catch up with him this morning.
Yeah.
But they were in the separate camp yesterday.
Separate camp? How do you have a separate camp?
Well, they've got like a gazebo at the side of Eurotech as John and Dave Woods.
Ah, right. Oh, did they not come with Eurotech? Ah, right, okay. It's like a little Gibraltar there.
Yeah, 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 a little island. That's just a little bit of an insight into what's going on here with the factory Husqvarna team. Now we're going to sort of have a wander around the paddock. Back over to Team Eurotech. See what's going over there. So stay tuned. There'll be an update coming very shortly from Romaniacs at 2018 Day 1 off-road.